Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy, repeat, repeat the sounding joy.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh.
Isn't this a beauty? This is my Christmas simmer pot. I actually got this idea from Karen from the channel Two Orchids. And what you put in here is orange slices, a couple of fresh pine branches, about a half a cup of fresh cranberries. I have some cloves in there. I have the anise stars, and I have it in a pot of water. I'm going to put the water on now, and I'm going to let this simmer. And your house will smell like the holiday. And what I've done is I bought a couple of mason jars, the wide mouth ones that a decent sized orange will fit in. And I put all the ingredients in it, and I have a little label to put on there, and I'm giving them as gifts. So I'm going to put it on today because I'm baking more cookies and I want the house to smell nice. I will put the recipe for this in the description box below if you're interested. I can just smell it now. Look at that. You have to remember now to keep your eye on the pot, because the water will start to evaporate and you don't want that to happen. So as the water level goes down, you can add a little bit more water to it, but you probably shouldn't let it go for more than a few hours. Getting ready to put my butter pecan cookies in the oven. I've already made a couple of batches. These are the cookies that I made for my grandson Jake. He took them away to school with him when he went back to college. And he said to me when he came home recently, "Grandma, can you make those cookies again?" He said, "I didn't think I was going to like them, but I do. So of course I'm making them for him again." He can have all he wants when he comes over for Christmas. I wish you could smell my house. Oh, I wish I had smell-o-vision between my Christmas potpourri on the stove and my cooking and my cookies baking. It is Christmas time for sure here. Look who just joined my baking Santa under the Christmas tree. It's the little gingerbread boy and girl. The little gingerbread girl's holding a sack of flour, and the little gingerbread boy's holding a wooden rolling pin. And they're right in front of my baking themed Christmas tree. So cute. So cute. I love it. On my coffee table in front of the sofa is this beautiful arrangement with the sparkly gold Christmas trees and the sparkly deer. And this is the big ornament. Should be lighting up soon. Let me try to go around the other way and see. Looks so pretty in the living room. All the gold. There, maybe you could see it a little better. Here's the trees and the reindeer and the big ornament that lights up. This is another angle from the living room. It's the part that has the tree. We put it in the corner this year. And there's the sofa and the end table. We had to move one of our end tables downstairs just for Christmas because I decided to put the tree in the corner this year. Oh, I love those little gingerbread boy and girl. I love my baking theme tree. Woohoo! Here's a little end table in my living room. I have a picture of me and the grandkids on it. Oh, there's a picture there of the cameraman and the Diva when we got married. And you see that little tree in the back? I have it on timer. That should light up soon. I got the idea a few years ago from Susan from Little Poet. She had that tree and I loved it and I ordered it and I have it on timer. It'll come on soon. It looks so pretty in the living room when it lights up. Over here on the table in front of the window is my gingerbread house that lights up, and next to it is the small one that Lucas made. Here's my nativity set. It's nighttime, so I'm not sure exactly how much of it you can see, but it's there. And right over here is my other Santa. Hi Santa, how you doing? This is from another angle. It's cool how you can see the gingerbread houses through the mirror. And there's an arrangement I made quite a while ago on the table with some old family pictures and the nativity. The stockings were hung. Well, not by the chimney with care, but going up the stairs in hopes that St. Nicholas would be there. And there's the cameraman, the baking diva, Scott, Jake, Kyle, Lucas, Aaron, and Brownie. Going up the stairs is a little landing where I have 3 of my little Santas there. Previous years I had this all filled with wooden soldiers. Here's my little woodland Santa standing over here next to the banister and the grandfather clock that my dad made. I didn't put out as many decorations this year as I usually do. I still have a lot downstairs. There was a lot going on this year, so I simplified a little bit. And there's the mistletoe right above the door that goes into the kitchen. I wonder who we're going to catch under that. Here's on my little windowsill in the kitchen. Blame it on the elves. Who needs Santa? I have Grandma and stop here. We have cookies. Below the window are my Rae Dunn canisters. I just put that new one there, and I sent away for the decal to put cocoa on it, and I just got it, so we're going to do that. Here's my little centerpiece that I made out of my Christmas Peeps. I change that every year for the different holidays. This time I put in it stocking peeps, Christmas peeps, and snowman peeps. I finished it before I got a chance to see the gingerbread peeps, or I would have put them in too.
Knew how to make my favorite gingerbread cookies. Before we get started, make sure you have parental supervision when making your cookies because safety should always come first.
This is my little bear.
Let's get started.
I told you how to make
First,
gingerbread
in a large
cookies.
bowl, mix together the dry
He's
but
cute. I've had him for
mix,
quite a while.
butter, and brown sugar until
And here's my little baking Santa. On the island, you usually see that where I do my baking. Here's my little candle that says milk and cookies. Here's a little bit of garland, poinsettia garland, with that ball in the center with all the ornaments in it. I hung that across the living room and the dining room. There's the tree, the living room. Here's my dining room table. I just put a nice poinsettia tablecloth on it. And I have this sparkly arrangement. And these are candles that I love. I got them quite a few years ago. They're the flameless candles. They just came on. I don't know if you can see them flickering. And they go really nice with the arrangement and the tablecloth. Brownie's, hi Brownie. She's so tired from her grooming. She woke up. Hey Brownie, and she's walking around. Look at me, Brownie, with the blanket still on her. Cookie. Oh Lordy.
Jingle bells, jingle all